Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. You can see how wonderful and so beautifully made this piece looks. They are all done with fabrics, okay? So in today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through the process of how I made this. So I already printed out my pattern on A4 sheet. So I used 4 A4 sheets, okay, to be able to get this size. Then I joined them together, okay. Then I did all the cutouts. Here I've already done the cutouts of the background, what the face is going to look like. So just watch through the process of how I did the placement, okay. So what helped me in making the placement looks seamless is because I already have the pattern. Okay, so the pattern is what is giving me the guide on how I'm making my placement after I've used the pattern to cut out every piece of these fabrics. So what I'm doing right now is to place them accordingly at the right positions. So just sit back and enjoy the process, watching how I was able to bring this to life. Thank you for watching. I'm sure you love this video already. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you. So I'm actually using a fabric glue to stick them on each other, okay, to make the collage. But in case you're using a double-sided fusible, you won't need to do that. All you need to do is to peel up the other parts while it sticks on the fabric, okay. I didn't use a double-sided fusible, just one-sided fusible. That is why I have to use a fabric glue to stick it on. Can you see how beautifully this came out? Very, very beautiful. I'm sure you enjoyed and you loved the process of how we're able to make this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.